how to buy Bitcoin on Exodus wallet. So if you wish to buy Bitcoin on Exodus wallet, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Exodus wallet app and make sure you log in and create your wallet. And once you've done that, basically you will see this type of information. Now in order to buy it, tap on the buy icon on the right hand side. So let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, select I want Bitcoin, and for the amount that you want, so let's say I want to buy $5,000 worth of Bitcoin. This is the amount that I will get, which I can tap the buy button right here. So when I tap on buy button, it will take me to the merchant or the Moon provider, which is MoonPay. And once I've done that, I'll be able to verify my payment information, and then I'll be able to buy Bitcoin by tapping on the continue button and then checking out. That's all it takes for me to buy Bitcoin on Exodus wallet. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.